applications of linear equation with single variable. Some of the daily life problems can be reduced to linear equation. We can make use of this linear equation for solving the problem to find out what is x. But we should note down some important steps also to solve the problem. Always keep the unknown as x. The unknown should be declared as yes, x. Usually this x can be, for example, they may ask the age or number. Then sometimes cost or length or breadth parameter, etc. So it can be of variety of things. These are all the various variables, but they are represented as x. And we have to translate this into algebraic equation. Translate into algebraic equation. We can make use of some mathematical symbols as follows. You have to identify the word, like if there is more or some or added or increased. You can represent this by plus. Okay? Next, for less difference, subtracted. So if you come across such words, or decreased or reduced, you can immediately put the minus sign. Okay? Sometimes for times, that indicates multiplication, that is 2 times, 3 times, n number of times. So if you come across such words, 2 times x means 2 into x. So here you have to use the multiplication symbol. Sometimes divided or halved. Or distributed, like that. If you come across such words, you can put division. If it is halved, means divided by 2. Okay? Otherwise, sometimes you may come across it is, it will be, it was. These are all equal to only.
Sir.
Now, Do you understand? And similarly, you have to solve the linear equation. So far we have formed and find the value of x. That is the next stage. So solve the linear equation formed. And declare the value of x. So this is the way we had to proceed. And you can verify also. You can verify your solution by substituting these values also. Now let us consider some examples. Twice a number is twice a number is 8 more than twice a number, twice of a number. Twice of a number is 8 more than the number. Find the number. Find the number. So here the find the number should be taken as x, is it not? So that should be taken as x. And then you just follow this word twice. Twice the number means 2 into, is it not? So twice the number. Now you can proceed with the solution like this. The number can be x. Twice the number. Twice the number is 2x. Okay. And then twice the number is 8 more than that number. So is means equal to. So twice the number is equal to more than the number. So more than the number. 8 more than the number. 8 more than the number. It means what is the number? X. More than means plus. How much? 8. So now we are able to establish an equation. That is 2x is equal to x plus 8. Got it? Okay. So 2x is equal to x plus 8. Now we need to find out what is x. X can be brought this side. So 2x minus x is equal to 8. And x is equal to 8. So x is the number. So you have to write down the number. The number is 8. So this is the way we have to give the answer. Don't simply put x. You have to reproduce this parameter. So it is asked as a number. So the given number is 8. So this is the answer. Okay. Next question. You can write down in the question bank. Second question. 3 consecutive integers three consecutive integers, add up to 51. What are these? Integers. Okay. So how many integers? 3 integers, right? So you have to consider these 3 integers. One of the integers can be taken as x. So there are 3 integers. And how they are? Consecutive integers. Consecutive integers means next after the next. Okay, so it may be, suppose if we take the first integer as x, the next will be x plus 1 and the next will be x plus 2. For example, let us assume 5 I have taken. The next will be 6. The next after that 7. So 5 plus 1, 5 plus 2. Likewise, we have assumed x. So x plus 1, x plus 2. Now we have established the 3 consecutive integers. Now they are added so that you are able to get 51. Okay. So it is clearly given as added. So let us add x plus 1 plus x plus 2. That is equal to 51. Right. Now x plus x, 3x. And then 2 plus 1, 3 is equal to 51. So 3x is equal to 51 minus 3. That is 48. So 3x is equal to 48 means x is equal to 48 divided by 3, that is 16. Now you should not simply write x is 16. No. So you have to declare the result. So the 3 integers, 3 consecutive integers or x is 16, another one is 16 plus 1, 17, another is 16 plus 2, 18. So you have to declare this as an answer. Okay? Why? Because x is 16, x plus 1 is 17, x plus 2 is 18. So we are declaring this as the answer. Okay? Take down. Let us consider this sum. The sum of 3 consecutive multiples of, what is that? Multiples of 8. So 8 multiples is the sum, means plus, and multiples mean 8 times, and this is 8. The other side is 8, equal to 888, 888. So the number, one of the integer, one of the number, the first number, because we had to consider 3 consecutive multiples. Let us consider the first number. The first number, okay, the first number, let us call it x. And consecutive means next after the next, is it not? So consecutive eight multiples means x plus 8, and another is x plus 8 plus 8, that is 16. Is it not? That is one multiple, two multiples, like that it goes. X plus 16. Okay. Now the sum of all these numbers means x plus 8 plus x plus 16. is equal to 8, 8, 8. Now you can add these three. Okay. So 3x plus 24 is equal to 8, 8, 8. So 3x is equal to 8, 8, 8 minus 24. So 4, 6, 8. So 3x is equal to 864. X is equal to 864 divided by 3. So 2 3s are 6, balance 2, and then 8 3s are 24, balance 2, 8 3s are 24. So it should be how much? 288. So the x can be 8. X is equal to 8. 288. And x plus 8 means 288 plus 8. 8. That is 296. And x plus 16 means 288 plus 16. How much? 304. So what are the numbers? The numbers. Answer. The numbers are, that is 288, 296, 304. So this is the answer. Got it? Take down. Shall I proceed? Right. Next question. The number of boys the number of boys and girls in a class or in the ratio 7:5. The number of boys is 8 more than the number of girls. What is the total class strength? Okay. Now, it is given as the number of boys as what? How many? 8 more than. It is given as 8 more than. Okay. So, the number of boys and girls and or in the ratio 7:5. It is given as 7:5. That is the ratio. Okay. So it means, that is, if we put the ratio as x, means 7 times of x and 5 times of x. That is the girls number. Okay. Take down. So the boys will be number of boys. Number of boys is equal to how much? 7 times of x. Number of girls is equal to 5 times. So 5x. Okay. 7x, 5x. It is given clearly the number of boys is 8 more than the girls. Is it not? So 8 more means plus 8. Okay. Therefore, the number of boys is equal to number of girls plus 8. Got this point? That's all. Right? Now from this we can work out. So 7x minus 5x is equal to how much? 8. This 5x come this side, so 8x. 2x is equal to 8. X is equal to 8 by 2, that is 4. It is not asked as x, it is asked only number of boys and number of girls. We are already given here. Boys is 7x. So 7 into 4. 28. What about girls?
5 into 4.
5 into 4. 20. Now you can look at this. Number of boys is 8 more than the girls. Correct?
Yes.
That's all. So you have to declare the answer. That is number of boys is equal to 28. Number of girls is equal to 20. Class strength, because it is asked as class strength. So 20 plus 28, 48. So the answer is 48. Okay. Next question. Find the measure of angle x. Find the measure of angle x in the given figure. So this is a triangle. This is x. This is 74 degree. This is also x. When two opposite angles are equal, what do you call that angle?
Vertically.
Triangle. Vertically? No. When two angles in a triangle are equal, what do you call that angle?
Equilateral.
No. Isosceles triangle. Opposite angles are equal. So opposite sides will also be equal. So it is an isosceles triangle. And you know something about the angle sum properties also. Okay, angle sum properties. What do you mean by that angle sum property? The sum of all angles. How many angles? 3 angles will be
180.
180 degree. Okay, right. So you can call it A, B, C. So according to angle sum property of triangle, angle sum property of triangle, angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. Okay. So what is angle A? 74 degree. What is angle B? X. Another x. That is 180 degree. So x plus x,
2x.
2x. So 2x, this 74 will become,
Minus
so 180 degree minus 74 degree. So 2x is equal to 10 minus 4, 6 and 0, 1. Therefore, x is equal to 106 divided by 2. That is 53 degree. Okay. So angle x is equal to how much? 53 degree. That's all. Okay. Take up.